Good morning, Priscilla.
Morning.
We're headed to Knoxville. About almost 4 hours. Pick up a press. I got my helper with me. She's gonna do her schoolwork on the road if she can not get sick. Anything you gotta say this morning, Priscilla? Are you charging me today? What's your rate?
$1,000.
Oh, I'm gonna turn around right now and take you back home. Anything else you gotta say? You wanna say hello to YouTube?
No.
Huh? What? Alrighty. Well, we made it back home. It's a little chilly out here today. Put on my coat. I'm gonna get it off the trailer now. Nice little press. Little touch-up press. Click the camera. Little touch-up press. Hothead. Got a customer that's been looking for one, so I found a good deal on one. Get this cleaned up and be good to go. Got 2 new books in today. Let's see what they are. Financial Peace again. This isn't the revisited one, this is the original. Hey, I got a bookmark. So adults about share. So this is not the first edition, but it is not the revisited one. So I do not have this one yet. Like I said in my last video, I like to get all the different covers of the books that I really enjoy, especially Dave Ramsey. This is, I think, his first Financial Peace University book. Does not cut well. This is for his class. The workbook. This was before I ever found Dave. So, kind of interesting. Kind of looked through this, see how much his message has changed. Man, there's all kind of stuff in here. Pretty neat. Cool. 2 new little books to go on my bookshelf. At this hotel in Raleigh, they had a washer that kept saying water and drum, and figured that's what it was, but the spring on the drain valve was broken, so it wasn't allowing it to pop back open when it took power off, because these drains are normally open, so when you put power to them, it closes them. So the spring can't think of the word, but makes the spring tight, and then when you release the power, it loosens the spring, and since it was broke, it didn't have no way of releasing itself. So I got that fixed temporarily, but the diaphragm's pretty wore out on this drain valve, so I'm going to recommend to the customer to go ahead and replace the whole drain valve. That way you'll have a new motor and diaphragm and everything, but in reality she could just replace the diaphragm because the motor is still working, but you're just putting a band-aid on it at this point. So I'll talk to her, see what she wants to do, but I got to go get a hose clamp right now because one of those hoses down there on the bottom was missing the clamp. And it was running like that, but I don't want to continue running it like that because then it's going to eventually pop off and flood the whole place. So that's what I'm doing now, heading to the auto store. Just checked into my hotel room. It's always weird coming to the same hotel but getting a different room. Nice and cozy. Get my computer and everything set up. Nice bed. Got a terrible headache today. feel like I'm getting a sinus infection or something's wrong with my sinuses. Take some medicine, gotta go to work tonight, so it's gonna be a long night.